Hello everyone, it's your boy Danny Sonic. Today I want to show you my latest update, which is MDM removal from MDM devices. Example, today we are working with Itel S18, so it is totally removed by us. You can contact us for the way to do this, and you can contact us for the MDM file which we used. Remember, it is not free, it is paid, and it is tested 100% working. So send us a DM, send us a DM in all the models you may like to choose or buy. We have the MDM files, and we have the tested MDM files and routing solution for all SPD 2023 models and 2022 models. You can uninstall the plugin as fast as you can. So send us a DM. Thank you for choosing Danny Sonic. Have a wonderful day.